Here's problem 11.1. Two vectors lying in the xy plane are given by the equations a equal 5i plus 2j and b equal to 2i minus 3j. The value of a cross b is, so we have two vectors, a and b, and we're going to look at the cross product between these two vectors. A is equal to 5i plus 2j, so I can get this thing to right. And b is 2i minus 3j. Well, the cross product is distributive, so if we distribute 5i crossed with 2i minus 3j, we'll have 5i crossed with 2i plus 5i crossed with a negative 3j. And then we have the other terms. We have a 2j crossed with a 2i. 2i. And then we have a 2j crossed with a negative 3j. Alright, so we have these four terms. If we use the mnemonic device where I, j, k, I, j, k, negative, positive. If we go to the right on this device, we'll end up with the next vector, positive. If we go to the left on this device, we end up with the next vector, negative. So as I look at I cross I, any vector crossed with itself is 0. So in this first term, we're going to have I cross I. That will give us a 0. We also have over here a j cross a j. That will be a negative 6 times 0, which would be 0. So we're left with a 5 times a negative 3, and then we have an I cross j. I cross j gives me k. And then we have a j crossed with an I. That's going in the opposite direction, the j cross I, so that'll give me a negative k. So I'm going to end up with 2 times 2, which is 4, times a negative k. So we have a negative 15k plus a negative 4k, which will give us a negative 19k. Okay? So A cross B is a vector. It's a vector product. It's cross product. And it gives us a negative 19k. So that's our answer, negative 19k.